Welcome back to the Daily Bitcoin 5. 5 stories every day that matter to Bitcoin. Today on the Bitcoin 5, SEC sets crypto regulation meeting for July 2026. Let's go. Before the stories, the Bitcoin price check. Bitcoin has been trading sideways over the short term, down by less than 1% over the past 4 days and up a modest 1.4% over the past month. The most striking figure, the 4-year view, shows BTC up 186.8% from about $21,700, a reminder that despite recent consolidation around $62,000 and an 11.8% pullback from March's $70,000 plus levels, the macro trend remains firmly positive. Bitcoin continues to digest gains while hovering in a range that's testing both bulls and bears. Story 5. Strive announced its Saylor fund paid a cash distribution of $0.05 per share, representing an annualized rate of $13 per share and an effective yield of 13.3%. This marks the 21st consecutive daily dividend payment to shareholders, demonstrating consistency in the fund's income-producing Bitcoin strategy. The daily dividend model represents a different approach to Bitcoin treasury management compared to Strategy's accumulation-focused playbook. By providing regular income to shareholders, Strive positions SATA as a Bitcoin-leveraged income vehicle. Story 4. American Bitcoin crosses 8,000 Bitcoin milestone. Eric Trump announced that American Bitcoin has surpassed 8,000 Bitcoin in holdings, emphasizing the company's commitment to its Bitcoin strategy, despite ongoing crypto market volatility. The milestone adds another corporate treasury to the growing list of entities accumulating significant Bitcoin positions. While American Bitcoin remains considerably smaller than Strategy's 843,775 Bitcoin, the announcement reflects continued confidence in Bitcoin as a treasury asset among companies willing to weather price fluctuations. The Trump family's involvement also keeps Bitcoin in broader political and mainstream business conversations. Story 3. Michael Saylor clarified a key metric that many Strategy (MSTR) observers misunderstand: Bitcoin break-even annual required return, ARR. According to Saylor, if Bitcoin appreciates faster than 3.3% annually over time, Bitcoin capital gains can fund STRC dividends indefinitely, a critical threshold for the company's new digital credit instrument. The math is straightforward. Strategy holds approximately $54 billion in Bitcoin reserves and pays $1.8 billion in annual dividends to STRC holders. That means Bitcoin only needs to appreciate 3.3% annually for the company to maintain dividend payments without depleting reserves. Story 2. Polymarket adds Bitcoin Lightning support for 4 million users. This integration brings Lightning payment capabilities to Polymarket's 4 million global users, marking one of the most significant Lightning adoption milestones to date. The move demonstrates growing confidence in Lightning as a practical payment layer. Users can now fund their prediction market positions instantly without the friction of traditional payment rails or the high fees and slower confirmation times of on-chain Bitcoin transactions. Story 1. SEC sets crypto regulation meeting for July 2026. The US Securities and Exchange Commission has released its regulatory agenda for 2026, confirming a crypto regulation meeting scheduled for this month. The stated goal is to help clarify the regulatory framework for crypto assets and provide greater certainty to the market, signaling a potential shift toward more defined rules after years of enforcement by litigation. This development comes as the crypto industry has long called for clearer guidelines, and with clarity, this should pave the way for the next wave of adoption. That's today's Bitcoin 5. Let me know your favourite story from today in the comments below, and subscribe now so tomorrow's update lands directly in your feed. I'll see you tomorrow.